My name's David Almosolino. I'm the Senior Director of Marketing Communications for InvenSense. InvenSense is a Silicon Valley company. We're a semiconductor company specializing in MEMS sensors. And we create that for a host of different large and small companies throughout the world using our technology in everything from tablets, smartphones, wearable devices. It can be used for pedestrian, indoor-outdoor navigation, optical image stabilization, health and fitness type of applications. So a host of different things that our solutions are being used in today. Mobile World Congress is incredibly important, obviously, to the mobile world and into moving now also to wearables. Our solutions, our little MEMS sensors, we create multiple different types: a gyroscope accelerometer, gyroscope accelerometer compass. We also just recently released a 7-axis solution, which includes a pressure sensor. And so it's very incredibly important towards this marketplace. Mobile World Congress being, as it says, mobile, is one of our strongest type customer bases that we go and I guess sell our wares both to our customers, but we have a lot of partner meetings, ecosystem, and we obviously meet the media and the press.